Oklahoma. For many, it's just a flyover state, a pass-through state on the way to another destination. When you mention Oklahoma, people may think of the various industries or the resources found here. Oklahoma may be thought of for the heritage and those that roamed the plains here before us. Oklahoma. It may not seem like much to some, but for some of us that like to leave the pavement in the dust and explore deeper into our state, Oklahoma is full of adventure.